Well, do you really hesitate to speak in English fluently? Are you the one who can understand English but cannot speak in English well? Are you someone who is pretty much jealous about your friends and family who can literally speak well but you cannot? Then this video is for you. You must be a person who has been working for your company from last 15 years, but still you are struggling for your promotions and appraisals. You must have seen that there are many people who just have joined your company, but they are getting well with your boss, with the promotions and appraisals. So where is the problem? Have you ever tried to find it out? Let me tell you, it's not your skill, it's not your experience. This is something about your communication. You are not able to present it in front of the public, in front of your teammates. And that's where somebody comes and takes your credits away. So if you are someone who just wants to be more opportunistic in any situation and to anything, then here I am. My name is Mansur Rahman. It's been 15 years. I'm in this industry. I have trained more than 7,000 students and they have been working in different sectors across the globe. They're doing well in their lives. So if you also want to do something different in your life, then go ahead and click the link below. I'll be there with a 2 hours masterclass. In this masterclass, I'll let you know how to speak very natural and fluent. And here, I'll also teach you that what should be your posture, gesture, personality so that you can become the most handsome and the important person in your team, in your office, so that you can attract everyone. So, if you're ready for that journey, then let's go for it. Join Speak Smart, Sound Smart with Mr. Mansur Rahman. Take care. See you in my class.